To add a fingerprint to OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings on our device. Now inside of it, we need to scroll down to security and privacy options and then scroll down again and go for device unlock. Now, first thing you're gonna do is to make sure that you have a screen lock set, and you can choose between three different options: numeric, alphanumeric, and the pattern. You need to set this up, otherwise you won't be able to add a fingerprint. Now, when we go back to device unlock page, there's a fingerprint and face unlock. Select the fingerprint right here and then unlock your device. That way you'll be able to add a fingerprint right here, or if you're doing it for the first time, you'll instantly see a setup tutorial for your fingerprint. Now all you have to do is put your finger here with different places until the scanner test is complete. Okay, so here we have it, it's done, and our fingerprint is set up. Now if we lock our device, we can unlock our phone with just a fingerprint scan. And a few tips that you should also follow is to make sure that your finger is dry. You can swipe it on some surface just to make sure it's dry, it's not oily, and then the setup should be fairly easy.